Hello everyone. Today I would be sharing with you brown smoky shimmery eye makeup look. If you are interested in knowing how to get this eye look, then please continue watching. This is a very quick and easy 3 eyeshadow eye makeup look. As my makeup palette, I'm using Mars Jasne Shringar palette. Link to this palette along with other products is the description box below. The first eyeshadow would be this. I'm packing this eyeshadow on my outer V using Sigma E33 brush. Move the brush in circular motion. I'm applying same on my crease, pat to apply, move back and forth to disperse, and move the brush in circular motion for smokiness. I would be intensifying this eyeshadow using a darker eyeshadow next. I'm picking this deeper brown. This is very pigmented. Build the eyeshadow slowly. I'm applying on my outer V. Intensity on your outer V should be greater. I'm building on outer V, applying it multiple times. Apply and begin moving in circular motion. Take it towards the crease now slowly. The intensity on your crease should not be much darker. Intensity on your outer V should be darker. Move the brush in circular motion for it to blend with the crease eyeshadow. I'm intensifying my outer V further. After you apply, move in circular motion for it to blend with crease and outer V eyeshadow. Keep moving the brush in circular motion. Eyeshadows will blend well. Next, I'm picking this bronze eyeshadow. Do not cross your crease line. Keep it within the crease. This is very buttery, creamy, shimmery eyeshadow. This palette is very good. The shimmer, glitter and matte eyeshadows are very nice. It's worth purchasing. Next, I'm highlighting my crease line using liquid eyeshadow. I'm using liquid eyeliner wand. You can use liquid eyeliner wand, but use liquid eyeshadow as eyeliner, or if you have a silver pigmented eyeliner, go for it. You can apply silver liquid eyeliner to highlight your crease line. The hack to get this done is to place liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the wand. Clear excess in the wand. Clean everything. Just place liquid eyeshadow on the tip of the wand. There should be nothing below. When you clear everything and begin applying on your crease line, you will be easily able to highlight your crease line. Next, I'm creating winged eyeliner. I'm outlining my wing. After I'm done outlining, I'm filling it. I'm using liquid eyeliner from Insight. Next, I would be creating pointed inner corner. Pointed inner corner shapes your eye and eye looks very beautiful. Be very careful. Keep your pointed inner corner point very sharp for your eye makeup to look beautiful. I'm coating kajal on my waterline next. Smudge the kajal on your lower lash line using deeper brown eyeshadow. The second eyeshadow, that which I packed. Next, I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. Intensify your eyelashes well. Applying mascara on them. Move the wand in upward direction multiple times. When you're coating mascara on your upper eyelashes and on lower eyelashes, use the tip of the wand. And it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eye makeup look, then please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.